Hi, I'm Patrick Dowd, and I want to share an idea that grew directly out of my classroom experience in K through 12 schools. Today, teachers are asked to meet the needs of students who enter the same classroom with very different skills, backgrounds, and levels of support, often with 25 to 35 students at a time. Research and national data confirm what teachers already know. There simply isn't enough time to provide sustained, individualized scaffolding for every learner. And so the result is that struggling students can feel overwhelmed, advanced students disengaged, and teachers are stretched thin. So here's the problem and the opportunity. In our district, situated at the suburban rural interface, students come from communities ranging from East Palo Alto to the Santa Cruz Mountains, and they come from different socioeconomic backgrounds and have different strengths and different challenges that they face. In other words, we have a wide range of learning needs in our classroom. The opportunity is not to replace teachers here, though, but to extend our reach in a way that supports equity, engagement, and rigorous thinking for all students. This is where Learnflow comes in as an opportunity. Learnflow is an AI learning sidekick platform, and it's designed to support students through short, focused 5 to 10-minute learning conversations that help them think, reflect, and stay appropriately challenged while keeping teachers in control. So some of the features of these are sidekicks, featured sidekicks. So you can see here at the top of this page, the landing page here, we have Literacy Luna, Math Max, Science Sam, and History Harper. If I click on Math Max, I'm going to get the opportunity to ask questions, engage, and as a teacher, I can give prompts to the students. Say, let's engage around adding, subtracting fractions. If it's a student that's challenged by adding, subtracting fractions. What if it's a student that is well versed with adding and subtracting fractions? Well, you could say, why don't you engage with it around multiplying fractions and see what happens when you talk with your AI learning sidekick about learning how to do that. And you can see that it gives you some options like asking for practice problems, etc. You can also customize your different subjects. So you can create a learning sidekick for physics or chemistry, biology, history, art. Really any topic is possible here. And there's a couple here that I pre-made, my Math Buddy for mathematics and my Science Explorer for physics. So again, this could be for any level, K through 12 and beyond. Some of these learning sessions, what's going to happen is students are going to engage in short interactive chat and even voice-based sessions. These sidekicks don't give answers. Instead, they ask guiding questions, offer analogies, and prompt reading to build understanding. So this is not something where they're just going to get regurgitated answers out. The voice chats and visuals are particularly helpful for students maybe with neurodivergent learning backgrounds and could benefit from this more multimodal support. Importantly, the teacher dashboard allows teachers to monitor the engagement, view the active sessions, flag concerns, and send feedback, providing visibility without adding anything to our workload. There's built-in moderation, and this ensures appropriate names, content, and interactions with the AI. Learnflow also can be embedded in learning management systems like Google Classroom seamlessly. So why is this innovative? Why is this needed? Learnflow is built using modern AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and no-code platforms like Lovable. What's innovative isn't the technology alone, it's how the technology is used. Short, purposeful learning moments are aligned to classroom instruction. And this is grounded in research on flow, cognitive load, and accountable talk that students need these times to process new ideas or engage with ideas they've already encountered. The impact can be measured using both qualitative and quantitative data, such as looking at metrics like in California, CASP and CAST statewide tests, and we can also look more locally at our in-classroom tests and see how the support of these short interactions with the AI learning sidekicks are supporting students. In closing, Learnflow fills a critical gap for undersupported students by extending teacher capacity while keeping learning human, rigorous, and equitable. It's designed to scale, adapt, and grow, and it's guided by real classroom needs. Thank you for the opportunity to share Learnflow and its potential to support every learner. Thank you so much.